You are using price action wrong, and this means that you aren't making money trading. Well, in this video right here, I'm going to show you step by step how easy price action can be, and use a little secret to stay on top of the market. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy, and let's get straight into it. Price action is one of the most common ways to trade the financial market today. Millions of day traders use it to determine whether they should enter trades, but what if I told you that 90% of them are doing it wrong, and that the market moves the way it does on purpose, and all of this is to trap you into making emotional errors? Well, I'm going to show you the easiest price action strategy out there today and show you how it wins trades time and time again. Trading this strategy requires little skill, almost no time on the charts, and the best part is it has an amazing win rate and a high risk to reward ratio. So let's open up TradingView.com and check out the charts. Millions of people move the markets every single day, and it isn't just candles on the screen, it's real people placing real trades, and psychology plays a huge role in that. During the open market, price will make upward and downward movements, create new highs and new lows, and when these areas are made, a trader's psychology becomes attached to these zones. But we can use this to our advantage. Not to enter a trade, but to let price show us exactly where it is going to go and exactly where to place our take profit for a huge risk to reward ratio gain. Let's take a look at this high right here. As you can see, price moves up to make a high and then pulls back to make a higher low. These two zones now act as a range for a trader's psychology, and the market needs a lot of money to break these areas to keep pushing up or down. So what do as smart traders? We wait. The first step to making money with this strategy is to wait for price to lock in with a new high or new low, creating a zone for price to bounce between, aka support and resistance. But we do not care about this zone, we care about what happens after. We'll be waiting for a break of this zone, but this isn't a breakout strategy. Price will push out of here, and our job, which is step 2 for this strategy, is to wait for price to trend outside of this zone. After this happens, it will lose momentum and create a level before rejection. This is very important for the strategy because the market has just showed us exactly how strong it really is, and how far it can move before running out of steam. So with this knowledge, we can now wait for price to come back inside the previous support and resistance zone, which is right here. This is the market correcting itself and liquidity grabbing. Flux Charts, and they wanted to sponsor today's video to show you how powerful their premium indicators actually are. I have previously tested them on this channel and had insane results, and for only the price of one takeaway a month, you could gain access to life-changing indicators and an amazing community of other like-minded traders, all the way from beginner to expert, that are making money the same way you want to. So check them out risk-free with the first link down in the description and in the comments section, and seeing exactly how much value they cram into this tiny membership fee. Flux Charts has been very generous to offer you a 20% off if you use code MO at checkout. So please go check them out for yourself. And thank you again to Flux Charts for sponsoring today's video. Now, once this happens, we want to wait for price to push outside of this zone again in the same direction, and on the close of the second break, we can look to enter our trade. It's important that we put our stop loss at a safe point inside the psych area to avoid the chances of it hitting. This really helps with keeping our win rate super high, and from here, we will need to set our take profit zone. Now remember that price already showed us exactly how far it could take before losing strength, so we will set our take profit zone just before the top or bottom of the previous push, right here. Now let's see how this trade plays out. And as we can see, this trade has hit our take profit and confirmed the strategy. This is an amazing trading method to use, and it is so simple, and when it comes to trading, simple is always best. Taking sells with this strategy is the exact same, just flipped on its head. We first wait for the psych zone, aka the support and resistance area, and from here we wait to see the breakout of this zone, allowing it to lose momentum and then turn around, creating a new high or low. The next step again is to wait for price to come back inside the psych zone, confirming the market correction for price, and then we want to wait for price to leave the area for the final time, confirming the trade. And we simply enter our sell position. Remember to place the stop loss at a safe distance inside our S&R zone and target the previous low for our take profit. It really is that simple. One important tip to note is to find a comfortable middle ground depending on your trading style. The more you move your stop loss inside to the zone, the less profit you will make per trade. So be sure to place it somewhere you're comfortable with and try not to be greedy with how large you're risking versus how large your reward ratio actually is. But remember to always backtest before live trading, and definitely check this out for yourself on TradingView. For the best results, test this out on NAS on the 1 hour chart, and feel free to check out my personal trading strategy right here in the description. Like, comment, subscribe. And if you enjoyed this and want to learn more, I suggest both of these videos right here, but it's up to you which one you choose. And as always, I will see you in the next video.